Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. For today's video, I'm going to be hiking the Brown Summit Trail. It's about 3 miles, should take about a little bit over an hour and a half, and it should be pretty fun. Let's get into it. Alright, so we just got to our first sign right here. So it's saying the summit is 0.9 miles until we get to the top. So right up there, apparently it's only 500 feet of elevation, so shouldn't be too bad, but it does look a lot higher than that. I'm not sure how much further I have to go until the top of the mountain, but I think I need a snack before then. So I'm trying this new beef jerky stick. It's Wenzel's Farm beef and cheddar. So I'm just gonna give it a go. I think I might just save one until I get to the top. I'm not sure how much further I have to go, but I've done about 3/4 of the trail towards the top. So about a quarter left. I'm not sure the distance, but once I'm at the top, it's halfway done with the entire trail. Honestly, I didn't think this had cheddar in it, so not a huge fan with beef jerky and cheese, but it's pretty good. Not bad. Alright, just gonna save the rest. Have a little bit of water. And then finish the trail. It says it's only 500 feet of elevation, but looks like I have quite a ways to go still. I mean, up, not distance. Alright, just got some food and water in me. Feel refreshed, ready to continue on the trail. It is starting to sprinkle a little bit, so I'm hoping I can get down before it pours on me. I did bring a beanie, but I mean, that's about it. So, hope it doesn't rain too bad. From this area, it looks like we don't have much further to go. And on the map, I can't really tell, but just a small distance to go. But the incline right now is not so bad. It's just getting a little bit windy, so I'm gonna go ahead and put my beanie on because I've got short hair. It's getting a little bit colder up here. Much better. I think I'm gonna put this GoPro on here. Put this back. Now I can zip it all the way up. We're good to go. Alright, just got to the saddle of the mountain, and we got a scenic overlook right here, and then the mountain right there. Well, we're gonna obviously check out the scenic overlook first. See how scenic it really is. It's supposed to be getting dark in 30 minutes, so definitely have to head down soon. It's definitely nice. Give you a little 360. So, I don't know if you can see it on the video, but right there's where I started. Not really sure which trail I took. It's probably that one. So, don't know how much further to go up there. So let's get going before it gets dark. This is definitely where the incline is. It's just steep and rocky, straight up to the top. Look at it, just steep. Which I guess it's not so bad of a trail because it's literally easy in the beginning, and the end is just hard, which I don't mind at all. My phone just said it's gonna start raining soon, so we've got to hurry. Just gotta follow these steps up here. Oh. And we go this way. We made it. And here's the view. Just gonna have a little bit of water before I head back down. That's good enough. I'll just save the rest. You can literally see it's raining over there and all over there and over there, except for where I'm at. So I got pretty lucky, but my GPS did say the rain is coming, so I have to head back down or I'm gonna get soaked. And the sun's gonna be setting soon, and since it's overcast, it's gonna get dark sooner. On another trip, I kind of want to go to the top of that mountain because it looks like a little volcano. So I just got my water. I'm gonna head back down now so I can try to get out of here nice and dry. When you're on the top of the mountain, you couldn't really see the scenic overlook, but you can see it just down there. And I'm probably, I don't know, a couple feet down from the top. So it's not that far up. Yeah, eat the rest of my snack right now. This jacket is definitely hot right now. So. Hearing other people come up on the trail. I don't know if they're on a different trail or if they're heading up or heading down. Well, let's carry on so we don't lose daylight. Alright guys, so I want to show you this product that I made. It's a little GoPro wrench right here. So it helps you tighten these little guys. It just snaps in place, allows you to loosen it and tighten it. And the cool thing about it is that this snaps in. And they come with this little metal ring right here, and a little metal insert, and they come in these 5 colors. I'll link that part in the description below if you want to buy one. They're super handy. So if you ever tighten this up, you can only tighten it so much and it still moves. This allows you to tighten it and lock it into place. Super nice. I'll link that in the description. Alright you guys, so I'm just wrapping up the trail. I have about, let's see, 0.7 miles left. Pretty easy. Didn't rain on me. And it didn't get dark yet, so perfect. I'd say that was a success. We have about half mile left, and it's basically just a flat, wide walking path. So pretty easy. Just straight back to the car, and then we're done. Alright you guys, so that's going to wrap it up for hiking Brown Summit. If you guys like this type of video, make sure you like and comment and subscribe so I can continue to do more of these videos. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Goodbye.